type 2 compounds. So they're the ones with the transition metals. And I'm going to do, let's see, number 12. Number 12E from your homework. CuCl2. Alright, I'm actually going to pull up a picture, and it is this one. Where'd it go? Okay, and if you'll notice, these guys are all transition metals. And we don't know if they're copper 2, copper 1, is it 2 plus or 1 plus? Is it cobalt 3 plus or 2 plus? Is it tin 4 plus or tin 2 plus? So if you're a chemist and you write copper chloride on the bottle, that's bad, because as a chemist, from reading that, I don't know, is that copper 2 chloride or copper 1 chloride, and that could be dangerous. So you need to give your fellow chemists more information. So I'm actually going to go another picture. That's this one. So just to write the problem down again, yes, we want that picture. Okay. We're going to have to backtrack using some information we learned before. You're going to figure out what the charge is on Cu based on what is the charge on Cl, but it's times 2. Okay, so here's chlorine, Cl. There's the -1. So this is -1 charge times 2 for a total of -2 charge. So what that's saying is this whole mess of stuff has a charge of -2. Since the molecule itself has no charge, this must therefore be, that's right, +2. So you figured out what the charge on copper is based on what the charge was on the negative particles it's bonded to. So the final answer is going to be copper, Roman numeral 2, chloride. To tell your fellow chemists that that's the charge on copper. Okay? Alright, I'm going to go now to the next one, which is type 3 compounds with only nonmetals. And I'm going to pull up the picture I want. Which is the picture I want? I want the prefixes. Okay, yes, prefixes. So these are going to be the type 3, which is the all nonmetals. Oh my gosh, I need a new stylus. That's bad. Yeah, nonmetals. Okay, so I'm going to do a few problems for you from your homework. Okay, starting with number 10. Okay, 10B, which is AsCl3. Okay, and so the rule is, with naming these compounds with only nonmetals, is you have to use, 1 for mono, 2 for mono for 1, di for 2, tri for 3, tetra for 4, penta for 5, hexa for 6, hepta for 7, octa for 8. Okay? Exception, I hate exceptions, but except when the first element has only one atom, then you don't say mono for the first element. Okay, so that's the only exception there. Okay, so AS is arsenic. Notice I did not write mono, so the name is arsenic. There's a 3, so what's the prefix? That's right, it's trichloride. Okay. For 10, what's the next black one? Is 10D. That's XeF4. Again, you have just one to start, so that would be xenon. And what's the 4? There we go, that's right, it's tetra, so tetrafluoride. Okay. Should I be nice? Yeah, I should be nice. I'm going to do this last black one because it's different from the others, and I want to make sure that you get this. So now we don't have just one as our first element. We have 2, so we got to do di. You look up B in the periodic table. You see that's boron, diboron, trioxide, and you can recall that you chop off the end of oxygen and make it oxide. All right, I'm actually going to go back now to number 12. Number 12 reviews everything we just learned, okay, for type 1, type 2, type 3. And I'm going to do 2 of the black problems for you.